Muy buenos días, ya es domingo, hoy es el tercer día, como pudieron ver en el último video. Si lo vieron ya saben que nos estamos preparando para ir a Spec en Porterville. Y ahorita ya nada más voy a preparar todos los cables y todas las cosas que van a necesitar para instalar todo lo que viene siendo el cableado. Bueno, está instalado el cableado, pero él va a perfeccionar todo. Se va a encargar que no haya ningún corto, ninguna mala conexión, que todo quede como debe de estar. Y pues yo ahorita nada más voy a escoger las cosas que le voy a dejar en esa caja. Y en unos momentos más iremos por la traila y de ahí nos vamos a dirigir al taller y vamos a conocer, bueno, ustedes lo van a conocer, yo ya lo conozco, a la persona que les he estado hablando. Bueno, seguimos. Pues ya estamos aquí donde vamos a remolcar el carro. Vamos a subir un poquito la parte frontal para que poderle enganchar a la camioneta. Y ahorita nos vamos a dirigir a Porterville, California. Bueno, pues ya quedó enganchado. Ahora sí, ya vamos en camino. Cambio de planes, vamos a dejarle completamente la traila y el carro y él se va a encargar de bajar todo, así que nos va a facilitar muchísimo. Y ahorita les voy a traer todo el contenido tiene muchos carros, como pueden ver. No sé qué les guste más, pero ahorita va a haber material, a ver qué tan largo se hace el video. What is Fonso doing?
So he just left, bro. He was there for like fucking 8 days or something.
What the hell?
What else is he gonna do, man?
Shit, don't do what I did. No, about the battery, put it backwards.
Oh yeah, I almost did.
It's clicking. I put some blocks on the thing.
It's fine. I'll get this thing off today. I'm gonna do a bit of rearranging inside. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put the lift yet, but how's your drive, bro? Anything exciting?
Dude, this car got hell of attention. The wrong one and the good one. There was a guy with a Miata driving down this street before I turned.
Yeah.
And he was trying to get my attention. He kept doing the flip up with the lights and like giving me thumbs up, revving his car. So that was a good one. Then a couple of guys too, like driving around. Another one giving thumbs up. But some of them like Hellcats and stuff like that, like they pass me by and then they'll rev their shit. Like dude, the car's on a trailer. Like what the hell is it gonna do? You know, like it's not like I'm not driving it or anything. So yeah, I got the good one and the bad one. What do you mean?
It didn't fit?
What?
Is my hood not gonna clear?
No, I did it because I was gonna do the vented hood.
But why does it almost look like your hood doesn't clear?
It does.
It did before you cut it?
Hmm? Oh, maybe this, but you just like trim the.
I haven't tried to put my hood on.
I'll pull the
latch.
The latch. It's just zip tied to the thing right there. You just cut this part right here, the trim.
Yeah.
From the inside.
I haven't tried to put my hood on, bro, but honestly,
We'll take this one off and test fit it, yeah.
I have a hood. This one's light, obviously.
Yeah, because I cut the reinforcement,
Yeah.
the bracing. So yeah, look. The mine on mine, the wiring and everything is legit. Like
Exactly. It's all replaced. It's all new.
no, mine doesn't look like anything like this.
Bro,
Once you see it,
bad. It's bad. Like the whole like underneath that fuse, underneath the passenger side, there's like a whole hacked up fuse box.
I wouldn't put any money on this.
He got it for $2,000.
Oh
He got
shit!
it for $2,000.
With the engine and everything?
And
Oh,
spares.
the engine alone is
Yeah, it's worth it in parts. That's why who's
Oh, I thought he paid like a lot.
No, bro. He
Oh.
got this thing for $2,000 the way you see it.
It's not bad with the wheels and everything.
With everything, the way you see it. The way you see it with the kit, like with the and it's got brick headlights. It's got legit bricks.
Bricks?
Yeah.
Oh well, the brakes are like 2,000
That's what I'm getting
alone.
at, bro. He's got the brick headlights. It has the silver front end. Like this, the work is shit, but the engine's there.
Oh, the manifold's legit.
Yeah, man.
The only reason I don't like RB20s and RB25s is
It's
because
how it
the air goes
Mhm.
run over.
Yeah,
Like
they got
no, I
that.
seen this guy at Apple Valley. I don't know if you seen my videos, but his intake took my attention because he did the stock one, but he cut it and he put kind of like a pipe
Oh, that's cool. And extended it.
and extended it. And it's kind of like the OEM one, but he
Yeah.
grabbed like half of it and the other one, and kind of looks like this.
Like OEM Plus, bro.
Yeah.
That's cool. The only thing I never liked about kits like this is the shitty fucking throttle bodies. But this utilizes the OEM one, so that's cool.
No, his engine was, dude, it's like the best
Nicest looking RB.
RB20 that I ever seen. Oh, I hate RB20s and RB25s.
The whole thing.
But
Is
he's changed my
They look
mind. Yes.
I mean, that's basically this is that engine, but Nissan version of it. It's the same thing. It's straight six fucking. That's why the manifolds. It's the exact same engine but flipped.
Yeah, no,
You know?
I hate the way they designed those manifolds.
So with you on your car, did you just run the?
So let's go to my car.
Did you just run the wiring over the exhaust? Yeah.
Over to what?
Over the exhaust. That's how they give it to you. See, because my thing, I was like, bro.
Well, I honestly didn't look anything up. I did it twice.
That's how you're supposed
I disconnected everything a couple of times, and then like I started learning.
This is the big difference, though.
What?
It's turbo. That's why. Because see.
That's an A?
Huh?
That's an A?
What?
That's an A?
No. On mine.
Oh.
The difference between mine and this is because my fucking downpipe is way up here. Your downpipe's way down there. So honestly, it doesn't matter that this thing's over here. It's not gonna see that much heat.
Yeah.
That's the difference. Like I'll show you mine. Show you mine, bro. Mine's kind of a secret, so you know. The grill. The little rotors.
Oh shit! I didn't realize. You did it?
Nah, the owner did.
It's 3D printer, right?
Yeah, I did.
I was gonna ask you. Speaking of that, but I don't know how much is that. Is that expensive?
Nah, bro. 3D printing is cheap, dude. The designing maybe a little bit, but not like I 3D printed all kinds of shit. See, look, I did 3D printed this to keep. So it holds up. Put a little O-ring in there. And this was the last 3D printer, bro. The new ones is way nicer.
So what is this thing actually called? What is it?
So this is basically a rat rod, bro. This is a rat rod. I mean,
But what is it based on?
It's
It's just
built the chassis.
from ground up or
So-
based on something?
From ground up, except for the subframe. Subframe is RX-8 rear subframe, RX-8 front subframe. Now the cool thing about the RX-8 subframes is that they hold all of the fucking control arms. So like it's a box. I don't know if have you seen the Honda subframes?
Yeah.
They're the same. It's a box and it holds all the suspension on it.
Because there's this guy that he did the Datsun, but he just cut off like the frame and he just sat everything on top. Like it's just a Miata but with a
Kinda easier.
yeah. And I didn't want that.
So
Like
he did subframe. I want to say it's RX-8 wheelbase, right? And then just designed
A hybrid
the
of-
chassis from there. So like all of this, obviously he made. It's just box, but if you
but he went based off on RX-8.
it's RX-8. And RX-8 the RX-8 suspension is really nice, bro. Like RX-8s handle amazing when they're running right. When they're
What's
not
it called? Double wishbone suspension?
it's got the upper and lower.
Just like the FD, or is it different?
FD is the exact same. Actually, I think this suspension is better than the FD, bro.
Better?
The suspension, I think. I feel like bro, RX-8s handle amazing when they're running right. Once they're not running right, yeah. FD engine all day, bro. But FC chassis by far.
You know what? I totally forgot that.
Yeah.
I forgot. We were talking about RX-8, but I forgot. I don't know why. all those cars, and
There's no light over there.
I forgot that you're like the RX.
I like RX-7s, bro. RX-7s are my thing, man. It's kind of my, I've always said it's kind of like my white unicorn, you know? Like it's the unachievable thing that just sits in the background, but at some point, because my engine's sitting right there, it's in that box. Engine's chilling, bro. I just gotta build it. So this is switch panel. You have the key for the ignition, and then obviously your battery harness and all that shit. But remember, this is carbureted, right? Like everything is taken care of for its lights and all that shit. And realistically, bro, when it comes to wiring for the engine harness, there's not much. Especially on this is 12A, right? So this is a carbureted rotary engine. This is the engine harness, bro. You have your igniters, right? Igniters here, send the signal down to your coil packs, and then that's what gives you the torque. Like it's very, very basic. I had to wire up the alternator, but I mean, this is like your bare bones. Like I have another little fuse box right here. Look, got a little fuse box right here. This takes care of your 2 fans up here, your horn, and your what else is? Oh, the coil packs. Now later on, when he does, let's say he wants to go 13B and go EFI, all we're gonna do is add another canopy right up here. I have more of these. I bought a bunch of these brand new. Like I 3D printed this little cover thing right here. Kind of cool, just to hide the heart of it. I did give him a good deal on the canopy just because I have a bunch of them and I wanted to use it. And honestly, it's like the perfect fucking, the perfect thing for this car. So look, that's how easy it is. Now you can pull your engine, bro. That's why I love canopy, bro. And it's just like, whoop. Like, all right, fucking pull the bitch. You don't have to sit there and worm everything out of your fucking like
every
ECU.
single plug.
Yeah, bro. Your ECU, everything stays inside. Super easy. So if this guy goes EFI, we'll add the exact same one. Square it off right here. Boom. Now I'll build him an engine harness and cool.
You gonna start it?
No, I can't start it because the fuel system hasn't been gone through, and I guess there's a lot of like aluminum shit in it. The back picture? Oh, is it better yet too? This thing, I'm gonna tag this company. I'm gonna see if I can get a free one.
Yeah.
I might be able to. The color change is sick though. I thought like
Flip it. Damn, this is sick.
It's cool, yeah. It's like pretty decent colors too.
Do it. Dang.
That's cool, bro. Look at the brake switch too. So I see this little like catch on it right here. So you have the brake switch to here. It's just a basic little line pressure one, right? And I made this little patch that come right here. Boom, plugs into the chassis harness. It's got these little guys there. Like get the brake. It's like very Tron, and then obviously that thing goes on top of it. So like,
Sick. Tuvimos que cortar el video pronto porque tenía unos asuntos que atender y pues también nosotros ya se nos estaba haciendo medio tarde para regresarnos, pero me recomendó una tienda que está aquí y ahorita vamos a entrar a ver qué encontramos.
Tuve que quitar el audio, aunque fue confuso. Era una tienda de productos asiáticos, pero tenían música de banda. No deje la música por asuntos de derecho de autor.
Bueno, pues ya se llegó la hora de irnos a la casa. Tuvimos que cortar el video un poquillo pronto porque, pues como les dije, tenía unas cosas que hacer. Y pues también nosotros ya se nos hizo tarde, todavía estaba una hora de camino a la casa. Y pues hasta aquí se va a quedar el video. Nos despedimos de la ciudad de, bueno, el pueblo, ciudad, no sé qué sea, Porterville, y nos vamos a ver hasta que él termine o que necesite algo, que vengamos hasta por acá, pero sí está lejecitos. pues ahí nada más los voy a dejar con unas imágenes de este pueblo pintoresco.
Muchas gracias por sintonizarse, espero que les haya gustado el video. Suscríbanse, denle un like y compartan, nos vemos pronto.